Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the first lesson in science, and that is food, our basic need. As you all know, all living things, they need food. We need food to grow, stay healthy, and you also need food to talk in the class and have fun, play games. So the first thing you should know about food is what it does for us. Okay, now food have nutrients in them. Now nutrients are substances present in food that help our body to grow and stay healthy. All food items, they have nutrients, and the five basic nutrients which are present in the food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Now today we are going to start with carbohydrates. I'll tell you which food items have carbohydrate and what it does for our body. Okay, now the first nutrient is carbohydrate. Now carbohydrate, they give us energy. Now you all need energy, like I told you. You need energy to do your daily work, and you need energy to talk in the class, to have fun, to play games, and obviously when you go back home you need to do your homework also. For these daily routines you need to have carbohydrate. Now the food items which have carbohydrate are bread, rice, potato, banana, sugar, wheat, corn, etc. Now since they give us energy, these food items are called as energy giving food. Now I'm going to show you a few food items which give us energy. Okay, now I've got a few food items for you which have carbohydrate in them. Now let me bring it closer. Now you can all see there's bread here, there's sugar, this is rice, this is potato, I've got biscuit for you, and obviously chocolates have a lot of carbohydrate in them. Now as you can all see in this picture, this is cornflakes, this is bread, this is oats, this is burger which you all love, this is potato, and this is rice. All these food items have carbohydrate in them. Okay, now the next nutrient is proteins. Now proteins, they help us to grow. They also build muscles. Now the food items which have protein are milk, egg, fish, curd, cheese, meat, nuts, beans, pulses, chicken, etc. They are bodybuilding food. Now children, it is very important for you to have proteins every day. You're all growing up, and for the growing age children, those who are growing, they need a lot of proteins because you all want to grow up, you want to become tall, and you want to become strong also. Now I'm going to show you a few food items which have protein in it. Okay, now as you can all see, I've got a few food items which are rich in protein. I'm going to bring it a bit closer so that you can see it properly. Now the most important is milk. You should all have milk every day. Now besides milk, you have dahi, then you have egg. You can have an egg every day. Then you have cheese. Then these are nuts. Pulses is also very important. If you're not a non-vegetarian, if you're a vegetarian, you should have pulses every day. And if you're a non-vegetarian, you can add fish also to your diet. Okay. Okay, now you can all see I've drawn these diagrams for you. Now this is fish. You should have fish if you're a non-vegetarian. Along with that, you can have meat and chicken. But if you're a vegetarian, it is very important that you have milk every day. At least 2 glasses of milk every day. And then you have cheese also here, and egg every day is also very important. It is very important that you have proteins because they repair our damaged cells also, and it helps us to grow. Okay, now the third nutrient is fats. Now fats give us a lot of energy. Now they give us more energy than carbohydrate, and they also keep our body warm. But eating too much of fat will make you fat like your ma'am. You can see me. And too much of fat is certainly not good for your body. Now the examples of food items which have fat in it are oil, ghee, butter, nuts, etc. A lot of samosa from the canteen will also make you fat. So you should actually avoid all these food items. Okay, now I've got a few food items which are rich in fat. I'm going to bring it a bit closer to you. As you can all see, this is oil, this is butter, and this is nuts. I didn't have ghee at home, so I couldn't show it to you. But I'm very sure you all have ghee at home, and that also has a lot of fat in it. Okay, now these food items have fat. As you can all see, there is butter here, nuts here, oil, and ghee. Now, fats, they provide us a lot of energy. They are considered as the storehouse of energy. Fats provide almost the double amount of energy as compared to carbohydrates. Fats stored in the body act as insulation to keep the heat inside our body. They are found in food like items like these. Okay, now the fourth and the fifth nutrients are vitamins and minerals. Now, minerals and vitamins, they help us to keep us fit and healthy. They protect us from diseases. Now, the food items which have vitamins and minerals are fruits and vegetables. Now, calcium is a very important mineral which is found in milk, and it makes our bones and teeth strong. Since they protect us from diseases, they're also called as protective food. Okay, now I've got a few food items which have vitamins and minerals in it, and so I'm going to bring it a bit closer, as you can all see. Now, fruits, these are fruits, and obviously these are vegetables. You should have fruits and vegetables every day, and at least 2 glasses of milk, as milk has a lot of calcium in it, and calcium is needed for strong bones and teeth. Okay, now as you can all see the diagram, these fruits and vegetables have vitamins in it. I think you can all guess the fruits and vegetable. This is apple, this is tomato, this is lemon, cauliflower, cabbage. You have cherry here, capsicum, this is radish, this is peas, and you have orange. Now, vitamins and are nutrients. They are required by our body in small amounts. They are substances with no energy value but are needed every day for good health and proper growth. Most vitamins and minerals are found in green plants and fruit. Okay, now besides the nutrients, our body also needs water and roughage. As you all know, you should all drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. It is very important for the healthy functioning of our body, and it is also important for the digestion of the food that we have every day. Now, roughage is the fiber present in our food. It helps to remove undigested food from our body. Now, food items which have roughage are whole grain salads, fruits, and vegetables. Okay, now in this diagram you can see I have drawn a few food items which have roughage in it. This is banana, you have apple, you have tomatoes, you have cherries, you have cauliflower, lemon, cabbage, capsicum, carrots, peas, orange and pears. As you can all notice, these are mostly fruits and vegetables. Now, roughage cannot be digested in our food, but it helps to remove undigested food from our body. It is important for the proper functioning of our digestive system. So, you should all have roughage. That means you should all have fruits and vegetables every day. Okay, and lastly, we're going to end the chapter with balanced diet. The food items that we eat is called our diet. So whatever you are eating every day is your diet. And a balanced diet is a diet that has all the nutrients in the right amount. It means that you should have carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals in your breakfast food items, for your lunch and for your dinner also. Now I have drawn this diagram for you. As you can all see, this is a balanced diet chart and it has all the food items. Now, different food items contain different nutrients. To get all the nutrients that are necessary for our body, we have to eat a variety of food items. A diet that contains sufficient quantities of all the nutrients that are required for proper growth and functioning of our body is called a balanced diet. The requirements of nutrients is differs from one person to another. It depends on factors like age, gender, health condition, and level of activity of a person. For example, a growing child like you need more energy, proteins than an old person, whereas a laborer needs more carbohydrates than the rest of us. Now, this is all vitamins and minerals, so you can only see fruits and vegetables. Here you have mostly carbohydrate, bread, potato and other cereals. This is all proteins. You have fish, egg, chicken and meat, and then you have all these fatty food items, and here you have dairy, food items and milk. So you have milk here, you have cheese here. So it is very important that you have all these food items in your daily diet. Then you'll have a proper balanced diet and you will grow healthy and you will not suffer from any diseases. Okay, now today I'm going to conclude this session by telling you all, eat healthy, stay healthy, and wash your hands before you eat your food. Now I want you to all stay home and I want you to do your homework also, which I'm going to send you on the app, and I want you to read the lesson and if possible draw this balanced diet. It's very beautiful, and if you draw it you'll like it and color it also. Thank you.